Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can actually add ads onto your videos. So let's say you just got accepted to the partner program and you're finally ready to monetize, guys. Well, today's video is going to go ahead and show you how you can actually add ads into your videos, turn on monetization, and add pre-rolls and after-roll ads. So let's go ahead and get right into that, guys. So what you're going to want to go ahead and do is you're going to want to go ahead and click on your content, and then basically when you just monetize, these should be off sometimes, but you can go ahead and tick it on, and once you actually turn on the monetization, it's obviously going to be on, right? So let's say you want to add more ad breaks in your videos and you want to get as much revenue as possible. So you're going to want to go ahead and go into video, and keep in mind that a video has to be at least 8 minutes or longer to actually add more ad breaks into it. So you're going to want to head over to the monetization, and you're going to want to head down over here, and you can see it's going to say location of video ads for the video. So there's a pre-roll, there's a mid-roll, and there's a post-roll video ads on this video right now. So if you have a longer 8-minute video, maybe like a 10-minute video, 12-minute video, 20-minute video, anything longer than 8 minutes, you can go ahead and add more mid-rolls. So you can see right here, you can actually implement more ad breaks throughout your video. So just go ahead, you can add an ad break right here, and you can just add as many ad breaks as you want. I do believe there's a limit though, but I'm not totally sure about that. But you can add a lot of ad breaks into the video, and you can go ahead and continue and save the video, and there you have it. You now have more than one ad break inside your video, guys. So it's extremely beneficial, guys, because you want to get as much money as possible for your channel, and pretty much you can use that money to, increase the production of your channel, and just overall it helps out a lot, guys. So pretty much that's been it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you liked the video, subscribe to the channel, guys, and comment down below what you guys actually think of the video, guys. I want to hear you guys' feedback, but other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video.